Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Jareen and this is my husband Dwayne. So we just did a Hot Ones challenge. Definitely go check out that video. And this was like serious, like fire. So we were doing some would you rather questions and some other stuff, so we're just gonna continue that right now. All right. Would you rather eat oxtail? This is Jamaican style brown stew oxtail, not oxtails. Brown stew Jamaican oxtail every day forever. That's not your only meal, it's just that you have to eat it
forever.
Forever. Or eat curry goat every day forever.
All right, no wait. I need more details. Who's making it?
Who's making it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm making it.
Okay, that's key.
My fingers are burning now.
That's key. All right. And is just to confirm, is oxtail, broad bean, rice and peas?
Okay, oxtail and rice and peas forever, every single day.
We're talking about,
and you have to eat a plate of it, or else you'll be severely punished.
what kind of side dish?
It's rice and peas.
Just right? No, I mean
coleslaw plantain.
Or salt. Okay. And then curry goat.
White rice, coleslaw, plantain.
All right. I choose a curry goat.
Hey, curry every day. All right, okay. Okay, good.
The reason why I'm choose curry goat is because the meat is leaner. You know what I mean? And we're not gonna feel so.
Okay.
We're not gonna feel away after eating the oxtail, a curry goat every time.
Okay, cool.
You know what I mean?
Alright.
In theory, I should be okay eating a curry goat every day.
Alright, good.
For a year straight.
Alright, cool.
What about you? What did you choose?
I'm gonna choose oxtail because I'm not sure if my belly can handle curry every single day. I'm gonna choose the oxtail. Yeah. Would you rather listen to an annoying laugh all day or get tickled for 30 minutes straight? An annoying laugh all day. So it's not every day, it's just all day. So one whole day. Or get tickled for 30 minutes. It doesn't say who's tickling you. Thanos.
You're a big finger them there.
Annoying laugh. Imagine that. Imagine something like that all day in your ear.
Or when you hear like
or tickled 30 minutes straight.
I would choose the annoying laugh because I think I would be able to make fun of it somewhere.
Right, right, yeah. Exactly.
I think I would find it challenging to make the person continuously laugh. So I'm afraid not find out ways to try to give the person one joke.
Okay. Alright. Next one. Would you rather have to hunt and butcher your own meat or never eat meat ever again?
Never again eating meat. I would choose never eating meat.
Okay.
Yeah. I would have a tough time being able to kill an animal like that. I've done it, but it's not.
All right. Same here.
Yeah.
Next one. Would you rather go in the past and meet your ancestors or go into the future and meet your great-grandchildren?
That's a good one. That means I'm gonna get to see Logan, my great grandchildren. So that's Loki's kids. Logan's kids, right?
Logan's kids are your grandchildren.
Oh,
your
right.
great
Yes.
grand.
Great grandkids. So that's Logan's kids.
His kids.
Or I get to see my
your
ancestors.
great. All them people there.
Would I choose great? Okay, so go back in time and see them.
Your ancestors.
And get to see them.
And not like your grandma, like your ancestor,
yeah,
like
way beyond.
way.
And wait, do I get to share knowledge with them?
There's no A and B and C. It's just 7. It says, would you rather go in the past?
if we get to go back in time and share knowledge, yes, would I go back in time and share knowledge and say, yo, invest in this, do that, ray.
And you sure you wanna go back in time?
If it depends on what we can do. If we can go back in time and share information, then yeah, we'll go back in time and share information. I don't think I really would want to know what's gonna happen in the future because that might terrify me.
Oh jeez, another pandemic.
We're more pandemics and more foolishness, disease and pestilence, and
yes,
I don't think I want to know what's coming that far in the line.
I think there's a little pepper on one of my eyelashes.
Oh boy.
There's pepper in your mouth. Alright, so would you rather live in Canada forever, not being able to leave?
Okay.
Or in Jamaica forever and not being able to leave?
So when you get to see my friends and family and stuff like that?
Well, they can travel. It's just that you can't leave.
I choose Jamaica, yeah, man.
Yeah, I'm choosing Jamaica because at least you can go Mandeville and get a little cool. Go back to Ocho-Rios and get you warm.
You can climb up
You can climb up Blue Mountain if you want to experience some cold.
Or wait till it's winter time come when you get them cold front there.
Yeah.
But yeah, nothing beats the ocean breeze.
Yeah.
Nothing beats the sun.
And there's also in Jamaica there's more people you know too.
More people know.
And whoever is here can travel to Jamaica and see you.
Facts.
So
yeah.
Alright,
that means what we wouldn't get to do certain things like we would love to do here. You know, that Jamaica doesn't have. But anyway, yeah, you're right. It's still, but I prefer stay in Jamaica.
Yeah.
Open air, the openness and stuff.
But Jamaica's listen. Jamaica is turning into foreign, you know. All those little things. Well, you'll never get to ski.
That's okay.
But Jamaicans are creative, okay? We can make snow down there, okay? Alright.
Yeah.
Let's see. Would you That's it. Okay, so let's do these ones. Okay. So these are me or you questions. So the question is gonna be asked and then you have to put up me or you. Okay? Alright. Let's see. Who eats the most food in the house? Alright. Go ahead.
Who's most likely to fall asleep during a movie? Your turn.
Okay. Who has better taste in music?
No.
Who knows more music? Who has better taste in music? Alright, fine, okay? Because when it comes to R&B people,
I'm gonna teach you about music, you know?
You not teach me nothing about music.
Okay.
Come. Alright, next one is you, right?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead.
Who's most likely to flirt with a cop of the opposite sex to get out of a traffic ticket?
I would not flirt with a cop.
You would definitely bat your eyes and go so. You would do that.
I'm not going to agree because
why?
I would not do that.
Sure.
But a female cop who kind of have a slight resemblance to Halle Berry.
You would do that?
You. Okay. Next one. Who is more stubborn?
You stop and say yourself. You're so stupid. You say yourself. Oh gosh.
Okay, fine. All right. Your turn.
Who's most likely to order the expensive items on the menu? Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. All right. Okay. Who is the stricter parent?
Actually,
who is the stricter parent?
I think it's me. I'd say it's me because Louis gets away with a lot of stuff with you sometimes.
Yeah, I think like just by a little. There's a balance, but like a little.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I agree.
Yeah. All right, your turn. You have any?
Yeah. Well, one last one. Who's most likely to snore in their sleep? Excuse you? Try again. Are you sure about that?
Yes. More likely. Now, if I'm very, very exhausted and there's a blue moon.
Blue moon.
And it's a leap year and pigs are flying, then I'm like, okay. Listen, we both snore a little bit, but I have no evidence of me snoring. I have evidence of you snoring several times.
Let's start put up some security camera.
Okay. Okay, fine.
It's your turn.
Okay. Who's the better dancer?
Yes, definitely you. Yeah, 100%. 100%, yeah.
Go ahead.
Who's better at keeping a secret? Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. I try hard. I try really hard.
And who's more likely to jump out of a plane? I mean, with a you know, not like
yeah.
with parachute.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah, definitely you. And who's better at directions?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, give me that GPS. Okay. All right. Definitely.
Sometimes just feel it. You just feel where I go.
And I feel it too, but I end up lost. All right, so the last question is, who's more likely to never ever try this hot sauce or this hot sauce or this hot sauce ever again? Who's most likely to never? There are some tasty ones in there, but I don't know, man. This one, people.
Yeah, we'll definitely find a way to use it some way, somehow.
Yes. You can use it as a weapon.
I use a weapon. Like Home Alone or type vibes.
Yes. But guys, thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe. Check out all of my videos on this channel, and peace out.